How to post a horizontal video on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on the plus sign at the bottom. After that, simply select the video you want to add. By default, you will find this kind of screen. On the left side, you will also find expand option. If you don't find it, you can simply zoom your video as you want and make it horizontal in this way and adjust where you want it, and then press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you can simply post your video. You can also use third-party editing apps to make your video horizontal. And this is how to post a horizontal video on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.